Most retirement plans are built around one assumption, even if you don't say it out loud, that you should die with money. And if you want to leave a legacy, that's a beautiful goal, but what if you don't? If you have no kids or your priorities are different, then the goal changes and the math changes. Traditional planning often treats spending principles like failure. But if your goal is to have money support your life, not sit untouched, you're not asking, how do I preserve everything forever? You're asking, how do I not run out too early while I actually live? I like the phrase zero-ish, not reckless zero. Zero-ish means I will spend intentionally with guardrails and protect the later years. Here's what's quietly happening. Many people plan for extremely high success rates, 95%, 99%, all the way up to 100. That doesn't create peace. It creates fear of spending. When you remove a legacy goal, three things shift. Your timeline becomes finite. Your plan allows controlled depletion. Your objective becomes support life, not preserve a number. That doesn't mean spend fast. It means spend on purpose. This is where the 4% rule is misunderstood. It was designed for worst case planning over long retirement windows. That's not wrong, but was never meant to be a life philosophy. Here's the retire ready framing. First, build a floor, cover essentials with reliable income. Second, build flex, spending adjusts with conditions. Third, define the finish line, zero-ish later with guardrails. Ask yourself three questions. Am I planning my retirement or creating an inheritance plan by accident? Do I have a floor that protects essentials? Do I have rules that give me permission to spend? The next video, we'll talk about the biggest misunderstanding in retirement, the 4% rule, what it actually means, and what flexibility changes.